I'm Summer Huntington of Shala and Steel Mace Vinyasa, and today we'll be talking about the importance of training the Warrior One position. I have one of my athletes, Elise. She works both with Wildman team as well as with the Shala team. She's been training for about 8+ years with us, and she's going to be demonstrating a Warrior One position with a staff. I do want to state that if you have no staff training experience, please do not try this at home. This is something that Mark and I will lead out on retreats, but the purpose of this is for you just to see and understand the mechanics of Warrior One. All right, so Elise, go ahead and face me. I'll be going into striking, and Elise will just be taking a step back into a Warrior One position and then returning back to the starting position. I'm telegraphing nice and long, and then I'm going into my strike, slow motion at first. We'll do about 5 repetitions. Love that she's alternating sides. She's getting really low, so her center of gravity is close to the floor, which makes her harder to knock over. And I might do different positions, different movements, but she's still using that Warrior One position to get herself low so that she does not fall over. Last one. Next up, when you're wanting to condition this as a beginner, it's really nice to just add some load, particularly with a steel mace. So at least go ahead and drop your staff. And let's just have you can have this one actually. Come on over so you're in the shot, and let's just have you face out that way so folks can see you. Start in reverse guard position, and we'll start with a little knee bend and then taking a big step back with the left leg. And I'll do some corrections here so we can just see she's got pretty solid form. Her hips are squared up, her back glute is on, her arms are straight and locked out at the elbows, her wrists are neutral. And this, again, is the most optimal position to block yourself from being hit. So we'll start again in reverse guard position, a little knee bend, and stepping back into Warrior One. She's just gonna do a few repetitions, press up into block, and I'll kind of talk about what's going on here, return back to the starting position. So timing is really key. Notice as she knee bends, she's loading her arms up to press the mace up as she steps her foot back. This coordination is really key in helping you optimize the form. One more. Once you've got the form down, you want to add advanced variations such as a drop swing. Go ahead and go for a drop swing. Back to reverse guard, and then back to the starting position. And then one more, block, drop swing, and back to the starting position. Go ahead and switch sides, and then I'll have you face head on just so we can kind of see what's happening here. So things to think about. You want to start with a solid landmark in your reverse guard position. Go ahead and step back into your Warrior One. Always start with the basics. Start with just the step back. Go ahead and step forward. Notice she's integrating a power breath. Go ahead, exhale as you press. Core is nice and tight. If I was to come around and try to knock her over, she's solid. She's got full fascial tension running through her entire kinetic chain. On the next one, she'll go into her block and then right into a drop swing. One more. Nice. And go ahead and take a rest. And the final piece and thing to remember when you're training with Steel Mace Vinyasa, you want to condition the asana. So we did lots of repetitions, and then when she has an opportunity to do the asana without any load, we call this the unloaded pose, it's a lot easier to achieve. So Elise and I will do this one together. We'll angle ourselves this way, knee bend, and then step back, left leg, Warrior One, back to the starting position. And again, knee bend, press back. Last one, knee bend, press back and hold, option to press the palms together and look up. And then back to mountain pose. So that is a hatha style entry, walking into the pose. Train your Warrior One. There's a deeper meaning behind the Warrior One. Warriors have been using this posture, this pose for centuries to train warriors for battle, and it's fun to just understand the origins of the warrior poses. Thanks so much, Elise, for demoing, and I hope you learned something and took something away. Leave a comment below. Thanks so much.